Rovo has a few helpful agents like this service request helper that acts like a co-pilot to help the person working on a ticket resolve tickets quickly. So here there is an issue where the user is saying they did not receive their relocation bonus payment. And as a analyst who is responsible to resolve this ticket, I can leverage Rovo's out of the box agent, which is called service request helper, and then click on some of the helpful prompts here. For example, what steps should I take next? And this agent is able to look at all the previous issues in Jira and come up with the best possible resolution steps. So here it's given me step-by-step instructions, which is awesome. Now, couple of things that as an analyst I need to do. When it says that I need to check payment status, I need to go to potentially the expenses or the financial system, check this particular employee's record and see if the payment was made. And that's where OnLink agent supplements the Rovo agents. So let me go to another tab here, same ticket. And here I have selected OnLink AI agent. First, I can type in something like lookup reporter. So whoever reported this issue, OnLink AI automatically resolves that user, connects to the HR system, and brings back some initial details. So here we are able to make that integration possible and provide the relevant details for the analyst so that they don't need to leave JSM or the Rovo chat window. So here it's generating the final response and it's come back with a few details around who this the reporter of this issue is and provided some details. I can also say, for example, because this is around relocation bonus, what are the payments associated with Girish? So here I can say get payments. It Rovo remembers the context of the user, so it's able to again go back to the API and bring back any pending payments. So here it says there are no pending payment details available. And finally, you can also get any additional details. So for example, you may want to know if this particular person who's assigned to a particular issue, do they have any upcoming leave, something that you need to keep in mind. You can do that, and Rovo, our OnLink AI agent, comes back with very specific details. Let me quickly show you what the configuration of OnLink AI looks like. So first here, you come and add any connection to your HR system, to expenses system like Concur, or any other identity management system. We support a bunch of different systems. And for Rovo agent, you come here and specify which API to call for each of the topics that you want to invoke. So for example, for a basic employee lookup, you can set up employee. For leave details, you can set up this particular leave. Let me show you what that looks like. You can set it up as read or add update. What is the topic, which is again leave, which system you want to connect to. So here I'm connecting to Workday. Here we have authorized users. So for example, if you want to limit who can access this particular action, you can do that. Here you provide specific API details. So for example, what is the API that returns leave details? I can provide the API, it uses the connection, and if I test it, it returns the API response. And based on this API response, you can customize what is the prompt response. So as you may recall, the upcoming leave was set to something that said no upcoming leave in 10 days. So a simple expression that does a difference in dates between the leave start date, which is the leave start here, and today. And something like this you can do very easily in our app. And this supplements what OnLink AI provides or even what you can achieve with Jira for automation. So in short, Rovo we think of as something that provides the overall step by step instructions, the uh, ability to look at past Jira issues and coming up with very pertinent instructions to resolve a particular ticket. But that last mile connectivity, which you need in order to completely resolve the ticket, and being able to do that right within the Rovo chat without having to log into multiple systems is what we provide.